I will discuss about the Uniform Civil Code, and this this Yojana could be implemented by the central government, and just he tried to make a right to equality, because before there was the many discrimination is there and, through the state, and because of the through the state and through many religious organizations, they are using their own laws, and according to their own laws there was the displacement between the many religious groups. So the government wanted to implement its own rule, and through this rule all the peoples comes under the one equal laws, and this laws comes under the article 44, and this there was the many different states who implemented their own descriptions, just like Kerala there was an 1876 he was implementing some rules for the Hindus, joint Hindu and Muslims there is different rule and regulation. So because of this, what happened is the some state has growing their population, and some state they are not they are equaling their population. Some state are giving education, and some other state they are not giving education in a proper way. So looking this picture, the government just wanted to decrease the population. So if the law will be equal and the superstitious thinking through the religion will be not there, then our population will be decreased. Because nowadays we will look the picture of the population. What did you find? You find that we have 1 Arab 40 crores of peoples, and some days after, if such a situation will not reform, then what happen is there, you will see that we have no land to feed the peoples, those peoples who are living on the land of India. If we are not going to reform the situation, then what happen is then the no land for the peoples that they feed, and we are not giving them sufficiency. If you think about that, always peoples are crying that they have no facilities, these facility and that facility. The causes was there, many causes, but most of the causes is there. First thing is that superstitious thinking is there, and second is the corruption which are involved through the religion, through the caste, through the many process. So if government just try to do something extra, and he wanted to take some extra decision, there was the many organizations who are implementing their own rule, and they are giving example of the articles, just like 29 there was the traditional freedom, and 29(1) there was the traditional freedom, and through this traditional freedoms, what happened is there, many people just they do not follow their central government rule and regulation. They are just following their own faith, and because of this faith, what happened is there, the equality is not there. Some people are going to be educated, and some people are not going to be educated. Some people says that the education, Indian education is different, and some people says that we will have to take a religious education. So because of this, there was the radical thinking will be developed. Because of this, there was the no nationalism. So for this no nationalism, many organizations, many parties, they were taking benefits, and through this benefits, what happened is there, country is facing many problems. So whatever the government think, we will try to support them and to implement such a rule and regulation.